Hello from Slovenia again. Today I have 12 by 12 inch canvas coated with black paint mixed with my pouring medium for my base, and I will use 9 petal flower shaped cup from Paint Pour store. They have 5, 6, 7, a lot of them, and they are reusable, they clean really nice. So if you want some of those, you can buy them on the paintpourstore.com, and I have a discount code in my description box for 15% off to save you some money. So my flower shaped cup is down and colors that I will use my pearl white mixture and Porash Posse muscadine wine, Victoria's muscadine wine. Oh, this one is a little thick. The next one is Quinacridone Crimson by Vallejo, and I have Cadmium Red Deep, and I have Venetian Rose by Amsterdam, and some black. I will use black into my pours, my flower too. So let's start layering our paints. We'll just start with some pearl white and some black. Whoop, this one seems maybe not. Black and some muscadine wine. And I will add some pearl white again. Quinacridone Crimson, Cadmium Red, and Venetian Rose. White again. how it looks right now. Okay, I will spray my paper napkin with some water to soften it up a little bit. Okay, put down first half and the second half. And I will tap it gently. Okay, let's leave that as nice as we can. Grab those together. Wow, nice one. Wow, love it. Love, love, love it. Let me just, sorry, grab thing to do just this, that the middle will look nice, and the torch. Okay, and I will add some black around. Just want to thin it down a little bit, just to smooth the background a little bit, you know. Because you will pull some paint with the napkin. Okay, but you have to be careful with this part, that you don't drag paint, that it could be under the black on the sides, you know. It does level out, but if you add a little paint like that, it will help a little bit to have a smooth background. Wow, I really like this 9-petal cup. Looks amazing. For my taste even. I don't know what you think about it, but I love, love, love it. It's not in the middle again, even though that I measure the middle, still, you know, you pour a little more paint on one side than the other, and it's hard to keep it in the middle. I'm doing this for quite some time now, but still have problems with that, so but it's okay anyway, because it's gorgeous. So let me take it down for a close. So here it is. Amazing. Center is just perfect, and the petals, I love, love, love this one. I really do. It's a beautiful mandala flower, isn't it? Love it. Love these dark edges with black and muscadine wine and some vibrant red with this crimson. Just gorgeous. So if you like it, you don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share it on social media, whatever you want, if you want, of course. And see you on the next one. Bye.